Catch me catching plays.
Okay.
Catch me serving J's.
Okay.
It's try dog tag.
For real.
Rockin' with that thing. I'll let it bang. We make bullets rain. Just like Matt Payne.
The place is shattered. I can't see a single. In all likelihood, we're alone. Well, unless you count Leviathan, I guess.
Results.
Still, the real gold mine is 2040, not this pile of overgrown ruins. We'll pull data straight from the source. Okay, let me grab Madge and the Chief and we'll land. Alrighty, I think we've got our first step to making sense of this cluster flip. Have a gander. This was shot from the carrier's nose camera. First glimpse of Bikatoa anyone's had in 3 long years. Unless you count Leviathan, I guess. Sandy can get all kinds of info, even from a simple image like this.
Even this limited data has yielded preliminary results.
Still, the real gold mine is 2040, not this pile of overgrown ruins. We'll pull data straight from the source. Okay, let me grab Madge and the Chief and... Sandy, love, be a dear and open the file on the Bikatoa incident.
Certainly. The year was 2040, at exactly 4:58 p.m. on August 16th. A cable of the stratovator which joined the IBS research compound to the station in geosynchronous orbit experienced a catastrophic failure. The failure precipitated a partial collapse onto the island below. The incident functionally eradicated Tuvao City. An estimated 215,000 human lives were lost in the main population center of the city. The debris weighed approximately 300,000 tons, and the energy released by its impact was equivalent to 20 million tons of dynamite.
But according to logs, the collapse was preceded by a mass dinosaur outbreak.
Yes, the very first. And now we know that outbreak was courtesy of Leviathan. There must have been some kind of evacuation effort. Sandy, is there any data on how many people made it off the island?
Debris from the stratovator's impact created a 60-meter tsunami that overwhelmed the majority of the civilian escape vessels. Total known survivors, 413.
Lord Almighty, 500,000 people.
Correct. IBS records indicate less than 1% of the population survived the incident.
And Leviathan's kept the island sealed off ever since. We are the first living people to see the outcome.
And Ace, you're telling us you were there in 2040. Physically, you saw the stratovator collapse.
And Leviathan just happens to be running his war games right before worst industrial disaster of our time. Perfect. Just perfect.
At least this puts things into perspective.
This transmitter, how does it work?
Well, don't ask me. Ace found it, I just turned it on. Somehow.
You kid me? This is joke time now?
Okay, wait. Let's focus on what we do know. We know it transmits between timelines. So, it has to be tied into Leviathan's programming. That much I know.
You brought the piece of Leviathan on board the carrier? You are maniac.
This doesn't look like a piece of Leviathan. It's more like a Leviathan egg.
And you are twisted.
Finally, we're starting to get data from 2040. This is great, Sandy.
Thank you, Technician Alders.
Okay, Sandy, we've talked about this. You can just call me Alders.
Understood. Professional etiquette now set to non-essential. Alders.
Perfect. Now, Ace, with your exosuit as a relay, we've managed to hook into the island's surveillance network during the war game. And this nonsense, it's happening all over the island. Downtown, the dam, the airport, you name it. About when we got this image.
Exofighters, get ready to enhance your survival journey. This scenario needs a hostility upgrade. Reload and prepare for incoming dinosaur targets.
Hostility upgrade. Leviathan has a 5-alarm hard-on for dinosaurs. Magnum was right. It's running this island like some kind of massive combat tech R&D project. It's fixated on dinosaurs as the ultimate opponent.
Victoria seems apoplectic.
I am the Advanced Artificial Intelligence, Leviathan. You produced outstanding combat data in the previous war game. Keep crushing those efficacy metrics.
Before you fight, you gotta groove.
I will transfer you to the combat zone. Enjoy the war game. Will begin shortly. Have a super day. You will now engage in a dinosaur combat test. Exofighters, follow the Watcher. Initiating dinosaur cull mission. Preparing combat area. Please wait. Summoning raptors. Summoning Raptor.
Nice work. It's up!
Dinosaur Call complete. You are completing objectives faster
You're not
than the
going
enemy
anywhere.
team. Follow the Watcher.
Bouncing back.
Proceed to next mission. Initiating Dinosaur Cull mission. Preparing combat area. Please wait. Summoning Pteranodons. Summoning Raptors. Dinosaur Cull complete. You are completing a Initiating Dinosaur Cull mission. Preparing combat area. Please wait. Summoning Pteranodons. Summoning Pteranodons. Summoning Pteranodons. Summoning Pachycephalosauruses. Dinosaur Cull complete. You are completing objectives faster than the enemy team. Welcome to the Metropolitan Center of Bikitoa Island. In 2022, the IBS Corporation took advantage of redevelopment. It wasn't Earl of the South Pacific attracted a flourishing population. Transmission interrupted. Initiating area defense mission. Go to the area near the marker and begin defending it. Summoning Raptors. Summoning Raptors. Summoning Pteranodons. Area defense progress, 50%. Summoning Raptors. Summoning Pteranodons. Area defense progress, 75%. Summon Raptors. Area defense complete. You are completing objectives faster than the enemy team. Follow the Watcher. Proceed to next mission. The mission. Initiating area defense mission. Preparing. Area defense progress, 25%. Summoning Pachycephalosauruses. Summoning raptors. Area defense progress, 50%. Summoning raptors.
I need that. Why?
Area defense complete. Warning. You will now commence the final mission. Brace yourselves for interdimensional travel. Prepare for combat. The enemy... Scan. The first team to complete all of the assigned objectives wins. Do your part and generate robust combat data.
Drive ready.
Summoning Pteranodons. The team has activated the Dominate. Enemy-controlled dinosaur incoming. Prioritize its destruction. Summoning Pteranodons. Summoning Pteranodons. Dinosaur. Follow the Watcher. Proceed to next mission.
Keep that up.
Summoning Raptors. Summoning Pteranodons.
Heads up!
Summoning Pachycephalosauruses. Summoning Pteranodons. Dinosaur call complete. Follow the Watcher. Proceeding to next mission. A Dominator has been generated for your team. Use it to commandeer a summoning Pteranodons. Summoning Pteranodons. Fire in the hole! Summoning Pteranodons. Summoning Pteranodons. Summoning Pteranodons.
Grenade out! Damage critical.
Summoning Pteranodons.
I need repairs. Get up.
Combat test complete. You are victorious. This team demonstrates tremendous potential. There will be a rest interval until the next combat test. Take full advantage of this incredible employee benefit.
Before you fight, you gotta groove. I'm a real hot commodity.
Behold, the best exo-fighters in this war game.
These are the ones with the faggy mouths.
And I thought the headhunters were only a ghost story.
I'm sorry, what? Hunters?
Headhunters! They catch you, They rip out your brainstem bypass and steal your combat data.
Oh, lovely. You best be careful, Ace. Your spine looks ripe for the plucking.
No, Magnum has a lot of pilots that owe him one.
Hell, he's right. I mean, even Majesty likes the Aussie gig.
What I mean?
On with the main night.
Massive war game was held on August 16th, 2040.
Exo-fighters, welcome to the war game. I am the Advanced Artificial Intelligence Leviathan. I require all exo-fighters to participate in the combat tests. This is a two-team competitive scenario. Those on the other side are the enemy team. The first team to complete all of the assigned objectives wins. The winning team will be eligible for bonus existence. Data indicates that human beings improve their performance through compete to win, and compete to live. Compete to achieve research.
You got it, Groove.
So, enjoy the war game. Interdimensional transfer complete. The war game will begin shortly. Have a super. Engage in a dinosaur combat test. Exo-fighters, follow the Watcher. Follow the nav and join the mission. Initiating dinosaur call. Preparing combat area. Please wait. Summon raptors. Dinosaur call complete. You are completing objectives faster than the enemy team. Proceed to next mission. Initiating dinosaur call mission. Preparing combat area. Please wait. Summoning raptors. Summoning raptors. Summoning raptors. Summoning raptors.
Got your back. Get out. Grenade out.
Proceed to next mission. Initiating dinosaur. Pachycephalosauruses. Enemy team. Initiating dinosaur call mission. Preparing combat area. Please wait. Summoning pteranodons. Summoning raptors. Dino. Please wait.
Damage critical.
Summoning raptors. Summoning pteranodons. Summoning pachycephalosauruses. Summoning raptors.
Appreciate it.
Dinosaur call complete. You are completing objectives slower than the enemy team. Proceeding to next mission. Initiating dinosaur call mission. Preparing combat area. Please wait. Summoning a Triceratops. to the final mission. Act quickly to close. You are completing objectives slower than... Interdimensional travel. Prepare for combat. The final mission will be data key security. Proximity to the data key will cause it to repair it. Summoning raptors. The enemy data key has progressed 20%. Summoning raptors. Summoning pteranodons. A Dominator has been generated for your team. Use the Dominator to commandeer a dinosaur and attack the enemies. Summoning pteranodons. Dominator active. Take advantage of this unique asset and defeat the enemies. The enemy data key has progressed 40%. Your allies are on the offensive near the enemy team. I have awarded the enemy team a Dominator. They may invade with a hostile dinosaur. Summoning pteranodons. Summoning raptors. Summoning pteranodons.
I need repairs.
Destruction. Escort progress 6%.
Got you back.
The enemy data key has progressed 80%. The data key has been reactivated. Continue your mission. Summon raptors. Enemy team's victory is near. Demonstrate the necessary skills to avoid defeat. The enemy data key has progressed 90%. Consider directly attacking enemy exoplaners. Escort progress 80%. Over balanced combat. Combat test complete. The enemy team fulfilled. Behold, the best exo-fighters in this war game. Exo-fighters, welcome to the war game. I am the Advanced Artificial Intelligence Leviathan. I require all exo-fighters to participate in the combat tests. This is a two-team competitive scenario. Those on the other side are the enemy team. The first team to complete all of the assigned objectives wins. The winning team will be eligible for bonus existence. Data indicates that human beings improve their performance through competition. Compete to win, and compete to live. Compete to achieve. Let us begin. I will transfer you to the combat zone. Have a super day. Engage in a dinosaur combat test. Exo-fighters, follow the Watcher. Initiating college. Preparing combat area. Please wait. Summoning raptors. Dinosaur call complete. You are completing objectives slower than the enemy team. Follow the Watcher. Proceed. Initiating dinosaur combat area. Please wait. Summoning raptors. Summoning pteranodons. Summoning raptors. Dinosaur call complete. You are slower than the enemy team. Follow the Watcher. Proceed to next mission. Initiating dinosaur call mission. Preparing combat area. Please wait. Summoning pteranodons. Summoning raptors. Summoning pteranodons. Summoning raptors. Dinosaur call complete. You are preparing combat area. Please wait. Follow the nav line and join the mission. Dinosaur call complete. You are completing objectives slower than the enemy team. Initiating dinosaur call mission. Preparing combat area. Please wait. Summoning Pachycephalosauruses. Summoning pteranodons. Summoning raptors. Summoning pteranodons. Dinosaur call. You are completing objectives slower than the enemy team. Follow the Watcher. Proceed to next mission. Initiating. Team has progressed to the final mission. Act quickly to close the performance gap. Objectives slower than the enemy
Got your
team.
back. Bouncing back.
Warning, you will now commence the final mission. Brace yourselves for interdimensional travel. Prepare for combat. The final mission will be data key security. Proximity to the data key will cause it to advance. Escort it to the objective. If the data key is destroyed, remain in... Summoning raptors. The enemy data key has progressed 20%.
Get behind me!
Dominator active. Take advantage of this unique asset and defeat. Escort progress 20%. Your allies are on the offensive. I have awarded the enemy team a Dominator. They may invade with a hostile dinosaur. The enemy data key has progressed 40%. Summoning Pteranodons. Summoning raptors. Warning. The enemy team has activated the Dominator. Enemy-controlled dinosaur inbound. Prioritize its destruction. The enemy team is on the offensive. Fight back. The enemy data key has progressed 60%. Escort progress 60%. Consider directly attacking. Progress 80%. A well-balanced combat. You are defeated. You may have of the data harvested remained acceptable. Apply this defeat to your continued professional growth. Behold, the best exo fighters in this war game.
Exofighters control their exosuit.
Hey, catch me catching plays.
Okay.
Catch me serving J's.
Okay.
It's trapped out tank.
For real.
Rockin' with that thing. I'll let it bang. We make bullets rain. Just like Matt Payne. Stuck in the game.
Hey.
Green or cocaine.
Green or cocaine.
I be serving things.
For real.
I got everything.
Okay.
Serving hand to hand. Tasty, I'm the man.
I'm the man.
So much motherfucking swag, they don't understand.
I don't even get right.
But I got a plan.
For
Hey.
real.
I got a scheme, got a plot.
What's that?
Get this guap, stat this guap, then flex a lot.
Uh-huh.
And talk a lot of shit like I rap a lot.
Hey.
Shout out rap a lot,
Okay.
hey. But I trap a lot, hey. And I stack a lot, hey.
Alright.
SOS the stacking star, nigga the world is ours, hey. GGR gotta get rich, fancy cars, hey.
Yeah.
Diamond chains, hey.
Hey, hey.
10 chains, 10 rings. Nigga stunning ain't a thing.
No.
Wanna be
What?
bigger than Lil Wayne. Hey, I ain't gon' flop like no Lil Zane.
No.
It's Tay Gully, bitch.
Hey.
Let me in the